aussi. Hey. How's it going, everybody? I literally have all my filming gear, my tripods, my cameras, and all that, but I realized I forgot my backpack, and that's what I hold it all in when I ride. Today, we just have the GoPro, which is gonna make the riding a lot more fun, and let's see if we can find some sweet trails to do. I love going up that hill. It's like those 3 little jumps right there, so much fun. Plus all this hay has just been cut down, which makes these fields perfect right now. Look at this perfect field over here. Kind of looking for a little jump here or something. That's what we need, is more jumps. I just go through it. Oh! See how fast we can go through this. Dude, these fields are so perfect right now. It's amazing. We're gonna go through the woods right here and see what kind of sweet trails we can find back there. Winding trail. Oh. These trails are sick. So normally it's like a swamp right through here, but I think that since we've kind of had a drought, it should be dry, which means I can show you guys the windmill. Oh, so far so good. Oh, yep, it's dry, it's dry. Yes. There's the windmill. Did you guys see that? Oh damn, I don't know if you could see that from over here, but I just hit some hay or something and totally spun out around that turn. I've never been up here. No idea what's up here. Field, a nice field. Guys, who knows their farmers' plants? Let me know in the comments, guys, what kind of plant is this? Oh man, I almost skidded out. I have never been here in my whole life. It's weird because you almost never see wheat fields around here, like never. It's always corn or soybeans or like hay or something like that, but never wheat. Some weird stuff going on, guys. I just thought of some extreme hilarity right here. Do you guys think that I can make it through this crazy field of dirt clumps with the Sur Ron? Let's give it a shot. Ugh. Oh God, oh God. Let's get out of here. All right, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.